Good morning, dear friends. We, the students of Charity Club from the primary wing, are here to enlighten you all with a wonderful presentation that will throw light on one of the most important aspects of charity: intention. Yes, you heard me right. The intention or the motive of the giver is very important. The giver must feel the pinch of giving. And to explain this, we are here to present two stories in front of you.
Hi Jasmine, where were you? I was trying to call you since morning.
Hello Soumyansh, my aunt and I were actually out giving alms to the less privileged and the needy ones.
That's great. It is indeed a noble act.
Definitely it's noble act. Well, you know what? You can visit my Facebook page and Instagram account too for the picture.
Jasmine, do you think it is charity?
What do you mean?
Sorry dear friend, this is not real charity. Any act which we do to impress others or to show off is not charity. Do you know Mr. Patel, who is a famous politician?
Oh yes, I keep reading about him in the newspaper.
Let me tell you what happened a few days ago. My elder sister Navita works in an NGO. They work to help poor people. Their organization needed funds, so they decided to visit Mr. Patel for some help.
Sir, we want to meet Mr. Patel.
But you can't go inside. Patel Sahab doesn't meet anyone at home.
Please let us go. We took an appointment.
Guards, let them come. Okay, sir. Please go. You both will have to wait for some time. Sir is resting right now.
Okay.
You can sit there.
Thank you. Oh, it's been 2 hours. Mr. Patel isn't here yet. What can we do? We'll have to wait. Good afternoon, sir. We all know that you are very helpful in nature and you have helped so many needy ones before. Our organization also needs your help. I will help you with whatever you want, but there is one condition. The books you provide should have my name printed on them, and I also want a media coverage. Have you called some local newspaper or TV channel? No, sir. We thought we would do it anonymously. Even our organization wouldn't take any credit for this. Will it benefit my image? Won't you be posting it on social media? Sir, we are sorry, but we do not do it this way. Our organization works discreetly like invisible soldiers. In that case, I won't be able to help you. But sir, you said you would help us. I have an important work to do. You can leave.
Navita and Jessica are shocked to see this. They look at each other in great disappointment.
Now tell me dear friends, would we call what Mr. Patel did an act of charity?
Now I understand. That was not charity for sure. And he called himself charitable man. Isn't it ironical?
Yes Jasmine, it is. And now I am going to share another piece with you. It's about two best friends, Rajesh and Aditya. Hear it out and then tell me what you think about it.
Dad, I hope you remember it's my birthday on Saturday. I want to throw a grand party on my birthday. I want to invite all my friends.
Sure, let us host a party
for his birthday party, his friend's father was very sick and bedridden. His mother is very worried about her husband's declining health and the medical expenses.
Mom, I need some money to buy my school books. The new session has begun and I don't have any stationery too.
Rajesh, you know, we don't have enough money to buy medicines for your father. I can only manage groceries at this time. I'm sorry, son, but we cannot buy books or any other thing as of now.
Aditya heard all the conversation as he went to Rajesh's house to invite him.
Rajesh! Hello Rajesh. Hi Aditya, please come in. Rajesh, I really want you to join my birthday party this Saturday. I will definitely try Aditya. I will wait for you. Okay, take care. Bye. Bye.
Aditya leaves sadly from there and reaches home to talk to his parents. He has something in his mind.
Dad, I'm not feeling good since I have met Rajesh and his family. I want to celebrate my birthday but differently this year. What happened, son? Tell us. Instead of celebrating it with my friend and having a party, I want to help my friend Rajesh, who is in real need of money right now.
We had so many plans for you, son.
Yes, Dad, I know, but that's not important right now. I want to help my friend Rajesh. Please. Okay, son.
Aditya shopped all the books and stationery supplies for Rajesh on his birthday and went to his house. He handed over the books and stationery to Rajesh along with an envelope with some money in it so that they can buy medicines for his father.
Hello, Rajesh. Hi, Aditya. This is for you. Thank you. Oh, Aditya. You have done a lot for me. It's your birthday. In fact, I should be the one to gift you something today. Smile, my dear friend. Your smile is the most precious gift for me.
Did you see, Jasmine? The difference between both the stories. What Aditya did was a selfless act. He did not do it for pictures or to get the lame fame. A selfless, pure act of giving is charity in its true sense. Did you understand, my friend?
Yes, Soumyansh, I got it now. Anything done for publicity, fame, or to impress others is not charity. It is merely a selfish act. Definitely, intentions of the giver matters.
With that last thought, I just want to quote, charity is a great virtue. It does not always mean money or material goods. It can be one's knowledge, love, or affection too. But remember, dear friends, the intention of the giver matters the most. Thank you.